Death, oh death, oh why don't you spare me over until another year? My word is to summon thee. Remember I come by heaven's decree. Oh, what is this that I can't see with ice cold hands coming over me? Oh, well, I am death, none can excel. I'll open your doors to heaven or hell. Oh, death, someone did say, why don't you come and take me another day? Saw the children prayed, the preacher preached, the time for mercy has been reached. I'll fix your feet till you can't walk. I'll lock your jaw till you can't talk. I'll close your eyes till you can't see. And now's the time, come away with me. I am death, I come to take the soul, leave the body and leave it cold, to stretch the flesh right off the frame. Earth and worm both have a claim. I am a flower, just in a bloom. Oh, why must you cut me down so soon? My mother came to my bed, placed a cold towel upon my head. My head is warm, my feet are cold. Death is a moving upon my soul. Ah, death, how you treating me? You close my eyes till I can't see. You're hurting my body, you're making me cold. You're running the life right out of my soul. Ah, death, please remember my age. Please don't take me at this stage. All my wealth is at your command, if you will move your icy hand. Ah, the young, the rich, the poor, hunger like me outside your door. I know wealth, no ruin, no silver, no gold. Nothing satisfies me but your soul. Oh, why don't you spare me over until another year? Whoever you are, a grief-addled and old, this very night we still must go.